Hi there, this is Sachin Chaudhary from Paradiso Learning. In this video, we're going to talk about a very important integration. If you're selling courses online, you want to be able to streamline your purchase processing, your customer experience, your operations, your marketing. And for that, you need an e-commerce system, you need a CRM, and you need an LMS. And you want all three of them integrated. So let's talk about it. So let's look at the customer journey. How does your student, your customer, what does it go through? Your customer comes to your website, it looks at your course catalog, he puts that course into a shopping cart once he decides to purchase it. And from there, it goes to payment part where he fills up the form, he pays, and then as soon as he pays, you want him to be able to immediately start the course. He doesn't have to wait for your phone call, your email with login information. So the course starts in your LMS. If it has an expiry, let's say it's a course which expires in 30 days or 6 months, whatever, it stops the access in the LMS. So if you look at all of these operations, they're done without any manual intervention. So your customer experience is smooth, is streamlined. And let's look at the marketing side of the thing. To be able to cross-sell, upsell, and to be able to have the information about your customers, you need a CRM system. So this CRM system has all your customer data. Where does that data come from? So let's look at our e-commerce platform again. So as soon as the student, the customer purchases the course, we want to be able to integrate your e-commerce system with your CRM system. This CRM system could be your Salesforce, your Microsoft Dynamics, your Sugar CRM, whichever CRM you have, or your homegrown CRM. As soon as the customer payment gets through, we need to be able to integrate so that the customer's first name, last name, email address, their physical address, which product they bought, at what price they bought, which date they bought, what time they bought, all of that information you want to be able to push from your website, from your e-commerce portal into the CRM. So that's one part of the integration with the CRM. Now let's look at another part where as soon as the student starts taking the course in the LMS, he starts spending time in the LMS, he completes the course or the learning path, you want to be able to give that information from your LMS into your CRM so that the salespeople will know whether the students are actually completing the course. And as they come close to the completing the course, if your salespeople know that in the CRM, they will be able to send them marketing emails to be able to upsell the next module or cross-sell other products. So let's say once somebody completes a foundation course, you want to be able to cross-sell your coaching services or your face-to-face seminars or workshops, any number of products or new courses. You want to be able to cross-sell, you want to be able to upsell. And the only way you are able to do that when your CRM system is integrated with your e-commerce system and your LMS system, and all of them talk to each other. So with Paradiso, we have built modules which have all of these integration already ready to be working with some of the common CRMs out there, such as your Salesforce, your Microsoft Dynamics, Suite CRM, your Sugar CRM, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, so on and so forth. So by having all these three systems, your e-commerce, which is your website, your CRM system, and your LMS system, having them all integrated will streamline your customer experience. It will help your marketing to sell more. It will reduce your support cost and will make everyone happy. So to find out more about how to integrate different systems, even if you're not using Paradiso LMS, you're using some other system, some other LMS, we are happy to help. So you can call us or visit our website at www.paradisosolutions.com. or link is below in the description.